In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for your Squarespace subscription. Whether you're looking to update your billing information or set up your payment method for the first time, this guide will walk you through every step of the process, making it as quick and painless as possible. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to a welcoming homepage. Right at the top, you'll notice a button inviting you to Get Started. Go ahead and click that button. This will lead you to your Squarespace dashboard, the main hub of your site management operations. Now that you're in the dashboard, your next step is to move on to the Settings area. Look towards the left sidebar and you'll find the Settings option. Click on it, and this will open up a menu with several options related to your account and website configuration. Here, we're interested in sorting out your payment, so head over to the Billing section. You'll find Billing nestled among other options within the Settings menu. Once you click Billing, a new set of sub-options will surface. Select Payment Method from this list to manage everything related to paying for your subscription. Upon selecting Payment Method, you'll see a list of all active and potential subscriptions. Choose the particular subscription you wish to pay for. This section is crucial for organizing your payments, especially if you manage multiple sites or services under Squarespace. Now, you're at the heart of managing your subscriptions and payment details. Here, you'll find that Squarespace supports two primary payment methods: card payments and PayPal. This versatile payment method offering allows you to pick whichever is most convenient for you. Decide on your preferred payment method. For card payments, you'll need to input your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you choose to pay through PayPal, you'll be directed to log into your PayPal account to authorize the payment. Once you've entered the payment details accurately, make certain they are correct and complete. Double-check the information you input to avoid any future billing issues. Finally, hit the Save Payment button to confirm and store your payment preferences securely in your account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your payment method for your Squarespace subscription. Remember, this setup not only facilitates a smooth ongoing service, but also sets you up for easy renewals and uninterrupted website management. If ever you need to update or change this information, simply revisit the same steps. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide made managing your Squarespace payments easier. Until next time.